Hello, I'm going to talk about 4 monuments of my city, Sevilla. The first monument that I'm going to talk about is the Spain Square. The Spain Square was built in 1929 for the Spanish and American exhibition. Nowadays, it is located part of the local government of Andalusia. The second monument that I'm going to talk about is the Giralda Tower. The Giralda Tower, perhaps it is the most representative monument of the city. It was built in the 12th century and it was built to call to people to pray. The tower is Muslim until the top, which is Christian with the bells. The third monument that I'm going to talk about is the Cathedral of Sevilla. It was built in the 12th century and it is the second biggest Christian temple in the world. And the fourth monument that I'm going to talk about is the Tower of Gold. This tower was built in the 13th century. It is a Muslim tower, and they built this tower to defend the city from the dangers that came from the river. This tower was joined to a wall, and this wall was closing Sevilla. So that's why this tower was built to defend the city from the dangers of the river.